If equipped, the Forward Collision Warning System can help you avoid a front-end collision. FCW monitors information from the forward-looking sensor and electronic brake controller to let you know when a collision is probable. When the system detects a chance of collision, you'll hear a warning tone. Visual warnings will appear in your instrument cluster. The FCW system may also deliver a limited brake jerk warning. These warnings are intended to help you avoid or mitigate a potential collision. When the system decides a collision is no longer probable, the warning message will deactivate. Keep in mind, FCW activates at speeds above 4 miles per hour or 7 kilometers per hour. Alerts can be triggered by objects like guardrails or signposts, especially when driving on a curve. This is normal FCW function. Also, the FCW system is not intended to avoid a collision on its own, and it can't detect every type of collision. The driver is solely responsible for collision avoidance. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.